Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we will see how to set up Linux lab in our Windows machine. So you can run every Linux command on your own Windows command prompt. So let's get started. First of all you need to do go to settings, click on update and security option. On the left side you can see for developers, click on it, and here developer mode is off. You need to on this option and turn on developer mode, yes of course, and close this window. So search for control panel, go to control panel, click on programs, click on Windows features on or off. At the bottom here you can see Windows subsystem for Linux. Check this option and click OK. So you need to reboot your PC to finish installation. After restart your PC, type for cmd and open as administrator. In command prompt you need to type bash.exe, and here you can see message Windows subsystem for Linux has no installation distributions. So we need to install first of all distribution. So copy this link and paste on your browser. If your WSL not installed on your PC, so first of all you need to install your WSL. I have already downloaded this. Here you can type WSL list online. Here you can see the list of distribution you can install on your Windows command prompt: Ubuntu, Debian, Kali Linux, Ubuntu versions. So we need to install Kali Linux distribution. Type WSL install Kali dash install Kali Linux in our Windows machine. Here you can see Kali Linux command prompt. You can see enter new Unix username, your Kali Linux password. Here you can see message from Kali developers. So if we type who I am, Kali super user to password for Kali Linux, and here you can see who am I. So you can run every Linux command super user to apt get for watching this video. If this video is informative for you, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel.